It's about setting up a practice dev site on SiteGround instead of at home. Why would you do this? It takes less time, it takes less technical ability, and all you need is your browser, no extra software, and you let SiteGround's expertise handle the WordPress end of it for you. To do this, you need to have the SiteGround middle package at least, because this one allows up to 5 websites. If you have the first one, you'd have to upgrade so that you could get more websites under your account. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. You'll be surprised at how easy it is. I know I was. So you go to websites, you go new website, say I just want a temporary domain. Okay, continue. And I will start a new website. Maybe I'll do the WooCommerce one. And we don't want to add that. Finish. Okay, it says we're all set. So let's go ahead and one of the things you might want to do if you're going to use it a lot is you could make the URLs protected so that you have to enter a password for that. So you would go ahead and protect that and then add a user under that. That way, like a search engine or people won't find duplicate content if you're working on like your store or something or a different layout. Let me see here. Let's log in and see what it looks like. Okay, nothing here. Okay, so you also get this not secure thing. You just go ahead and say it's okay. Because I didn't set up any SSL or Let's Encrypt on it. It's an option. You can do that, but if you get a warning in Chrome, you'll see a thing down at the bottom that says advanced and then proceed. You can just proceed. And then I'm not going to do the startup thing. In fact, I'm going to view the default dashboard and I will probably remove that starter here. Reasons to do it this way, I just have a little right here. You can create layouts pages, export and import designs to your live site, test themes, test plugins, and keep in mind this is not a staging environment. It's a completely separate dev site to experiment and design on. And my dog is telling me that it's time to end the video. Check the resources below and the links in the video description, and thanks for watching.